Trades we could make here. Live here. Okay, looks like so far market's doing okay. We'll see what it'll do when market's gonna open. We'll see what it'll start to do. Nice. SOFX is up. Oh, nice. It's 6:30 and looks like it's doing okay. So far, looks like everything's going up a tiny bit, which is not bad. Okay, some orders are filling. The ones that I had queued in for Monday or to buy BMNR is filled. That's a good order to buy BITX. 3 individuals complete. That's awesome. A whole bunch of stuff's going through. That's good. That's good. Okay, let's see what we could do here. Okay, lift put buy. Obviously, that's probably gonna be down a tiny bit, I think. Yeah, it's down a little bit. Let's see what lift's doing. Looks like that's doing good in general. Open sell put. Let's see, a whole bunch of stuff is filling at the same time. The queued orders that I had from Saturday, they're being purchased. Okay, open those up. Now it's going back down a tiny bit. Yeah, a whole bunch of orders that I had are going through. Let's see. Okay, your order to buy one thing you have Costco went through. That's good. I'll try to see individually what I got going, what I could sell and get rid of the order to buy one thing of our EKR went through. So everything's going up a tiny bit. Looks like so far everything's kind of doing okay. Okay, an order to buy hams went through. That's good. Let's see now. Okay, let's see. Maybe go to check all the things individually. Okay, I bought a tiny bit of that one. It's going up. Your order to buy ATAI went through. That's good. Coinbase. I'm not sure if this thing you went through. Nike got a tiny bit of that one. I don't know why the internet's being kind of slow. ABT. I bought. Let's see. Roblox. See what that's doing. Your orders by one thingy of IIN. That one through. That's good. Whole bunch of things are going through that I was buying on Saturday that I was doing some queued orders in for Monday. A lot of those are going through. Let's see, maybe I should go see what the portfolio's kind of going up a tiny bit, which is not bad. For right now, I'm gonna go and I see SoFi, see what SoFi's doing. SoFi's up. We're gonna sell all. Come on, why is it being so slow? It's doing so much things at once. It's executing orders that I had from what do you call it, from Saturday. So that's why it's being all so glitchy. Okay, that's done. Trade buy, get like $1 more of this one for now, just in case. It's being so glitchy like crazy, it's insane. Okay, that's done. Let's see now. I'll go to what is the SLL. Probably go to that one. I don't have too much in that one, but I'll probably sell whatever I got in the profit and get like another dollar bill of that one. Make sure I get that. Whatever I could get in the profit right now, might as well get it. Now I'm gonna get $1, buy one more dollar of that again. That way I could keep track of what it's doing type deal. Okay, that's good. Let me see. Looks like maybe I'll go to the Roth IRA and probably do the same thing, whatever I got here. Let's see. Tesla, probably sell all of that if it's at a profit. It's not at a big profit, but I'm gonna sell all. I barely have any of it. That's funny. Yeah, it's being so slow because I got orders coming in, and at the same time, it's trying to purchase orders, so it's being hella slow, it's being extremely slow. Come on, we still need to do that. Sell some of this. Okay, and trade buy one more dollar of this just to kind of keep track of it. It's being so glitchy because I got a whole bunch of orders coming in, queued orders that I had going from Saturday, and at the same time placing new orders, so it's like all glitching out. Let's see what SoFi is doing here. Probably don't have too much of this one. Okay, I'm gonna probably not add anything to this one at the moment. Let's see, grab. Which one's doing okay? And that one's down a tiny bit. Plug shares, that one's down. Let's see what the options are doing. Plug option. Being so slow. It's like, what the hell's wrong with it? Why is it so slow? Yeah, I still got Amazon orders coming in from Saturday. I was doing some buys, some queued buys from Saturday. So a whole bunch of those are coming in. That's kind of glitching out the whole thing. Come on, why isn't it saying the return? You gotta see that. It's just taking forever. Yeah, see my orders are still going through from Saturday. It's like weird. Whatever, I'm gonna go back to the yeah, a whole bunch of stuff are still going through. Okay, that's going up a tiny bit. This one's going up for now. That's good. And let's see what else I should trade here. Lyft put buy. See what Lyft is doing. Looks like Lyft is doing kind of okay. What is this? Man, so much orders are going through. It's crazy. Okay, this the one I'm looking at is put buy. Put buy that one's. Yeah, it's being extremely slow today. Okay, the put buy is down because puts going looks is going up. Call sell. Let's see, this one's down a tiny bit. That's fine. Put sell. Okay, don't need to do that. Okay, let's see. SOFX put sell. Okay, that one's down a tiny bit. That's fine, but it's going up in general. Okay, let's see. Got so much stuff here. Let's see. SoFi Technologies. I just come on, show the total return. Why is it so slow? It's like so weird. Just want to show that thing. Yeah, this thing's being very weird. Gonna just let that be. Let's see. NVTS. See what that's doing. Okay, this one's up, so I might as well get rid of it once I'm ahead. Sell all of that. I'm gonna get one more dollar worth of that just to kind of keep track of it again. It's like tiny little take home profits. It's just being so slow and glitchy because I got a whole bunch of orders, like food orders coming in from Saturday, and then at the same time I'm buying stuff. So, uh, NVTS, let me see. NVTS. Let's see, go to NVTS. Buy one more dollar of that thingy. Doing some take home profits, and at the same time, I got a whole bunch of orders coming in from the hell Tuesday frequency. I don't want a frequency. All I want to do is just get one. That's all I want to trade. $1. That's all I wanted to do. Like, why is it being so weird? Doesn't make sense. Done. Okay. I do have a whole bunch of orders coming in from Saturday. That's awesome. Like, I guess I kind of predicted it okay that some of it were executed. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's bouncing up a tiny bit. Uh, let's see how much more orders are going to be coming in. Like I did a whole bunch of orders on Saturday, and a whole bunch of them are going through today on Monday. I gotta drink my coffee. Okay, you order to sell whatever shell shares individual accounts complete. Okay, some things are just taking some time to complete, but it's fine. I see. Okay, things are going through kind of slowly. Okay, okay, come on. Everything's just so slow today. It's like crazy. It's like, what the hell's wrong with it? It's being kind of slow. Like, yeah, still like things are going through slowly, slowly keeps on going through. So what the hell, USAR? I see that thing's kind of down, but the stocks themselves I could probably sell. Let's see, I might sell this crypto thingy here. I think it's kind of up a tiny bit. So I'm gonna do sell all and get rid of that whole thing. It's not a lot of profit, but at least a tiny bit. That's better than nothing. Okay, Bitcoin thingy. Let's see what that's doing. That thing's up from when I bought it, so I'll probably sell all for now and just get rid of all of it. Sell all the Bitcoin. Okay, now I'm gonna buy $1 more worth of it just to kind of keep track of it, and then I'll buy a whole bunch more once it goes down like crazy. I'll add some more to it. So right now, since I'm in a tiny bit of profit with that one, I'm gonna buy $1 of that one. Okay, that's done. Bitcoin's done. Let's see Ethereum. See what Ethereum's doing. Ethereum's down a tiny, tiny bit, so I'm gonna get $1 more of that one for now, just in case, just for the heck of it, and just to kind of keep track of it a little bit. I'll definitely get a tiny bit. That one, it filled. Okay, looks like it went up a tiny bit, so I'm gonna wait for it to go up some more. Let's see Shiba. Let's see what Shiba is doing. That thing's doing kind of decent. Looks like it's kind of going up, so I'll probably sell. I'm gonna go to sell all. Collect a tiny bit of profit on this thingy. Get rid of the Shiba. And then I'm gonna buy $1 more worth of it. You have to kind of keep track of it and see what it's doing type deal. Okay, that's done. Okay, go back. Shiba's done. Ethereum's done. See what XRP. XRP is kind of down. I'll probably wait for it to go down some more and dollar cost average into it. And let's see, Doge. Doge is kind of down a tiny bit. I'll probably hold off on buying that one. Let's see what the account's doing. Account's still doing good. It's kind of bouncing a little bit. Roth IRA, it's kind of like doing okay a little bit. Okay, I guess some orders are filled. That's good. That's good. Things are bouncing. I gotta see what else I should try to make profit on. Maybe find a couple trades and a half or something. Cheers, my Marvel coffee here. Okay, let's see what we could buy, sell, trade here. Uh, SoFi, let's see what SoFi's doing. SoFi's up a tiny bit. I'm gonna sell all of that. Okay, it's a tiny bit of profit. Then I'm gonna go buy dollar of it right now, just to kind of keep track of it. Just to kind of see what it's doing. And I see it go down lower. I'll get some more of that. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, hell yeah. Novitis, I just sold some of that in a profit, so that's good. And I got some calls. And it keeps on going up, so I'm gonna maybe buy $20 worth of this one, maybe just in case for now, because I think it's gonna be going up like crazy a little bit, so I'll be able to get some more of that and do some real quick profit. So Novitis. So yes, going up still, so that's good. Right now I'm gonna go to Lumen, see what Lumen's doing. Lumen's kind of down a tiny bit in general, so I'm gonna wait on that one for right now. See what Lyft is doing. Lyft is up, so I'm gonna sell all of this. Sell all right now, take a tiny bit of profit, and I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna buy one, buy at least $1 of it for now. That way I could keep track of it. Just collected some profits and okay, that's good. Open looks like it's kind of going up a tiny bit, 4.4 something percent. Not bad. Let's see the EFT. That one's going up a tiny bit, but I needed to go up a tiny bit more to start collecting some profit. So it's up $50 for today. I just need to get some more into profits to be able to get some more of that. Flipping Walmart's doing okay. I'm gonna wait for that one to do a trade on that one. Let's see, gold. Gold is up, a tiny bit up, not much. I don't have too much in it, but you know what? I'm gonna sell all. I don't have much in it. I'm gonna sell all of it for now because it's pretty high. Okay, that's good. And then right now, just to kind of track it, I'm gonna buy $1 of it type deal. So that'll be kind of better than nothing. TSLL, I just collected some profits on this thingy today. I might just add one more dollar today, right now, just to kind of dollar cost average into that one a tiny bit more. So that's good. Let's see, Uber. Uber looks like it's kind of going up. So I'm in the profit a little bit. I'm gonna trade, sell. I'm gonna sell all, collect a tiny bit of profit. Tiny bit of profit is better than nothing. And then I'm gonna go back to it. I'm gonna go buy. Go buy $1 worth just to kind of track it again. Take some profits and just grabbing a tiny bit just to kind of track it. So that's good. Let's see what Plug's doing. Plug is down a tiny bit. I'm probably not gonna add any to that one at the moment. Let's see Talkspace, see what that's doing. That one's down a tiny bit. Okay, not gonna add to that one. Let's see SOFX, see what that's doing. That one's up, so I'm gonna sell all this, take some profit, collect some profit on this one. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Taking profit is a no-brainer. You gotta take some profits. While it's green, while it's ahead, you gotta take profits. Okay, I took the profits from that thing. Then I'm gonna go buy. Get $1 worth of that one right now just to kind of track it. The SoFi leverage deal, that's good. Some profits are better than no profit. Let's see what AMD is doing here. AMD is up, so I'm gonna get rid of all of that right now. I mean, not buy. Different trade, sell all, get rid of it all. Come on, it's being so glitchy because I got so much orders going in from Saturday that I made like huge orders going through at the same time buying a whole bunch of stuff. So it's like so weird. Okay, so that one's sold. I'm gonna go buy. I'm gonna buy one more dollar worth of this. That way I could keep track of it. I could monitor it, see what it's doing type deal. For sure, like crazy for sure. AMD is a good stock. QUBT. Let's see what quantum computing is doing. That one's kind of down, up today, but it's down. Total return is down. So I'm gonna maybe add a dollar bill to that one just in case, just for the heck of it for right now to kind of balance things through. Okay, let's see. Done. Let's see. Rocket Lab, that's a good one. That's up a lot today. That's awesome. I kind of predicted that one, so I'm gonna sell it all. Tiny, collect tiny bit of profit. Sell, trade, sell, sell all. Collect the profit. That's awesome. That's good. Now I'm gonna go trade, buy, buy $1 worth of that one. Okay, come on. It's taking forever to execute some of these orders. Okay, buy. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's all good. Okay, let's see what's going on. Amazon. Let's see what's going on with Amazon. It's being so glitchy, so slow today because I have a whole bunch of orders going in and out all at the same time. It's like insane slow. Either I need to get like a faster internet or faster Wi-Fi or like a better, faster tablet or something like that because I'm trading on the tablet. Honestly, the trades I'm doing, it's doing okay because it's going up like all the buys and sells and all the weird stuff at once. Just like hyper speed trading and all like tiny little bits here and there. So far, looking in a few minutes to be up over $1,000. I think that's not too bad. I think I gotta find some more like tiny weird little trades to do. And while I was doing some trades, I opened up some more buying power. So while executing a whole bunch of orders, I opened up more buying power. That way I could buy a whole bunch more stocks, the ones that will go up for sure, the ones that I can make money on. So that's good. Let's see what the Roth IRA, it's kind of bouncing around doing its own thing. I might try to uh buy, sell something on the Roth IRA. So this is the Roth IRA right now. Let's see what I could sell here. So if I could sell something at a profit here, if not, sell it later or something. So this one's down a tiny bit. Let's see, TSLL. That one's up a tiny bit. That one's not worth messing with because it's so small. Grab. That one's down a tiny bit. Let's see, Lumen. Lumen's down a tiny bit on the Roth. SoFi. Let's see what SoFi's doing. SoFi's down a tiny bit here on the Roth. Plug thingy. That one's down. So this one's not worth messing with anything because it looks like everything's a tiny bit down on the Roth, which is fine. Long term is going to be up. Okay, yeah, everything's kind of down here. Gold. Let's see what gold's doing. Gold's up. Maybe I could, yeah, not worth to do anything on that one. Silver, got so much stuff on here. It's being so glitchy. Rocket Lab, that one's probably going to be in the profit. Yeah, I'm going to probably sell all this. As for the Roth IRA, collect some profits. But it's being extremely slow for some reason. Like I said, because I got one too many orders coming in and out all at the same time. Okay, now that I got this, collected a tiny bit of profit, I'm gonna buy $1 more worth of this one just to kind of keep track of it. Then when I see that $1 going down lower, dollar cost average gets some more while it's going down. So that's the plan on that one. Let's see, Rocket Lab is done. NMG thingy. Looks like that thing's kind of going down a tiny bit. Not doing anything. Archer's kind of down a tiny bit, looks like. Let's see, USAR. Let's see what that's doing. That's down a tiny bit. I'll leave that be. Talk. Let's see what that's doing. Down a tiny bit. Okay. BMNR. Let's see what that's doing. That one's down. So there's like not too much going on in the Roth IRA deal. Okay, NVTS. That one should be a good one. Yeah, it's a decent one. And I don't have too much in it, but I'm gonna sell. Sell all. Come on, why is it being so glitchy? I think it's still I got so much orders coming in from Saturday. That's why it's being extremely glitchy. Come on, trade, trade, sell, sell all. Okay, that's good. Then I'm gonna buy one more dollar of it just to kind of keep track of it. It's kind of funny. Okay, I think I'm done messing around with the Roth IRA. There's not too much going on in that one. I mean, it's up a little bit. Trying to focus more on the main portfolio right now. Yeah, I got one too many things going through at once. Or drink some coffee. Okay, let's see what kind of trades we could do here. Check out the lift. Okay, lift is still going up. That's a good thing. Lift call sell, probably down on that one. So that one to break even, it has to go to 22.81, and right now it's not even close to that. So at least right now, regardless whether it's gonna go up or down, I should be making some money on this one, so it doesn't matter. See, open. Come on, why is it so slow? Again, I'm gonna go back. It's just being extremely slow today. It's so weird. Let's see what this one's doing. Yeah, this one's down a tiny bit. It's going up, but it's down. I'm gonna go check out the stocks that I got. Let's see, Costco. That was a queued in order from Saturday. Looks like some of it went through. Coin. Looks like some of that went through. I'm gonna let that be, or maybe since it's up a tiny bit, I'm gonna sell all of this, sell all coin. And then after that's done, I'm gonna buy a dollar worth of it just to kind of keep track of it. Just kind of trying to collect whatever profit I can and get back in and wait for that thing to go back down and then get some more of that, just tiny little micro trades here and there, like weird little tiny day trades. It's like kind of funny, kind of weird and funny, but it kind of works. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, that's done. That's good. Let's see, coins taken care of. Nike. Nike's going up a tiny bit. Only got a dollar in it. That's funny. So I'm probably not gonna do anything with that one right now. I'm gonna let that be on its own. ABT. That one's doing pretty decent. Like I'm not doing anything with that one. Let's see, Roblox is a pretty decent one. That one's in a profit a tiny bit. Not much. I'm gonna get rid of all of that one. Just for the heck of it, I gotta get rid of it. But the iPad's being slow because it's still like executing orders from Saturday. It's so funny. Like I made so much orders from Saturday, and right now a whole bunch of them are going through, so it's glitching the whole trade deal. It's like so funny. It's like so funny, not even funny. It's like what the hell? Why is it doing that? Yeah, it's never been so slow because it's the first time I did a whole bunch of orders on Saturday, and today I'm buying orders and selling, and it's being so slow. It's like insane. Yeah, it's like so weird. ABC. So that one's, you bought a dollar with that one. That's good. Let's see what this one's doing. The Blue Owl Capital. That one's up. So I'm gonna sell this one. I'm gonna sell all of this, and I'm gonna buy one more dollar back, just to kind of track it type deal. Okay, so that's good. Trade buy one more dollar of this thingy. And like I don't really care where it goes, what it does. It's like it's there, it's purchased, starting to track it all over again. Okay, ARCT. Let's see what that's doing. That one's up. I don't have much of it, but it's up. Might as well sell it, get rid of it all. So I'm gonna buy one more dollar back of that one after that's done. Just to kind of keep track of it. Buy one, taking profit don't hurt. And getting a dollar in just to track it doesn't hurt. So it's all good. Tiny little micro baby trades here. Tiny little micro baby day trades. BITX, see what that's doing. Take that thing's up a tiny bit. Maybe just for the heck of it, I'll sell all of that thingy, and then I'll get $1 more into it just to keep track of it some more. That'll be pretty cool, pretty nice. Buy $1 more. That's awesome. That's good right there. All works. It's all good. Let's see after that VITX. Let's see what the flipping hood is doing because we be trading in the hood because I'm trading on Robinhood. So that looks like it's doing all good. It's going up. Like that's awesome. That's good. I'm gonna sell all of that thingy. Just get rid of it. I'm gonna buy $1 more back of that just to kind of monitor it, just to kind of keep track of what it's doing. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's see what's next. Done with the hood. Now we're gonna go to the APLD. Applied Digital. See what we got going there. It's up for the day, but it's down a tiny bit in general, so I'm gonna let that do its own thing for now. Let's see, MP Materials. Let's see what that's doing. That one's down a tiny bit. I might, just in case, throw $1 in at it, before it starts going up, so I'll have a tiny bit more money, growing up. So just in case, just for the heck of it, do that. Let's see, AKLO. Let's see what that's doing. Oko. Yeah, that one's down a tiny bit, and I don't have too much in it right now, so I'm gonna maybe just in case, just for the heck of it, throw like $1 bill into it, like a tiny little amount. That way, once it does start going up, I'll get a tiny bit more profits. BN, let's see what that's doing. Looks like that one's up a tiny bit, so I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna sell all, get rid of it all. And I'm gonna buy $1 more back into it just to kind of track it. $1. Okay. Hell yeah, that's good. Buy $1 of that thing. Okay, so let's see. After that thing, we'll go to the Shopify, see what that's doing. That one's up quite a bit. That's good. Take some of that profit. Little day trades here and there. Sell all. Get rid of it all. Okay, done. Okay, go back. I'm gonna right away buy $1 more worth of it just to kind of track it, just to see what it's doing. It's all good, super like collecting free money from the stock market, that's pretty much all I'm doing, just going around collecting free money. So easy, stock market's so easy, so fun, like anybody could do it. Like anybody just could go in the stock market and the brokerage and just flip and collect free money, it's so easy. Sell all of this, take a tiny bit of profit, just collecting free money here and there. Done. I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna buy one more dollar back just to kind of track it. Then see what it does type deal. Come on, it's being so glitchy because I got one too many orders coming in and coming out all at the same time, so it's taking forever to fill. Okay, finally. Okay, sweet. Okay, after this one, got $1 back on that one. Let's see what Hims is doing. Yeah, I can't believe the internet's so slow. Come on. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff going in and out at once. Okay, this one's kind of down a tiny bit, but it's up in general. So I might just in case add $1 into that one, let that one grow while it's going up. It's not much, but it's something. It's better than nothing. REKR. Let's see what that's doing. Okay, that one's down a tiny bit. I'll probably maybe add $1 into that one just in case, just for the heck of it. I think that'll be better than nothing. Then I could track it better, track it easier. Okay, MNTS. Let's see what that thing's doing. Oops, didn't mean to do that one. Okay, this thing is down a tiny bit, so I'm gonna let that be for now. Let's see, Apple. See what Apple's doing. Looks like Apple's up, so I might get rid of all of that one and rebuy it while it's up. Take some profits on that. I gotta sell the apple a day, keep two doctors away, I guess, whatever it is, whatever the people call it, whatever they say type deal. Okay, trade. Then I'm gonna buy $1 more back of that just to kind of track it. Tiny little baby trade, tiny little baby day trade. Okay, Apple's done. Took some profits there. Let's see what kind of profit I can collect from the Google, the ABC. That thing's up. I'm gonna sell all of that. Like people learn ABCs from this Google stock because it says alphabet class A. People gotta learn their ABCs. So yeah, hell yeah, that's worth it. So I'll sell all of that. Collect some profits. Go buy one more back just to kind of track it. Keep track of it. Keep track of the ABCs. To collect profits from them. Yeah, that's good. That's taken care of. Let's see the IREN. See what that thing's doing. See, that thing's kind of flying tiny bit low, but it's a perfect time to add like even a $3 bill at that one because eventually it's gonna go up like crazy. Make them grow. You gotta make them dollar bills grow. Just the iPad's so slow for some reason. I don't know why. It's taking forever to execute a trade. Doesn't make any sense. So weird. Okay, that one's done. Let's see what Serve is doing. See if anything's worth it with that one. Okay, that one's down a tiny bit. I might add a tiny bit with that one, dollar cost average. A tiny bit into that one. Okay, that's done. Yeah, this thing's just extremely slow. I still got one too many orders coming in and coming in and going out at the same time. That's why I think the iPad is extremely slow. Let's see, BBAI. Let's see what that's doing. That thing's down a tiny bit. I'm gonna probably throw another dollar bill at it just in case. It's kind of like dollar cost average. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's see Amazon. Amazon. See what that's doing. That one's up a tiny bit, so I'm gonna go sell all of that at a tiny little profit. Collect some of that cash. Collect some profits there from the Amazon River. Get it done, and go back and buy one more dollar worth of it just to kind of track it. I think that's good. That'll be better than nothing. Awesome. That's done. Profit taken. Some more bought. That's good. Hell yeah. Rocket Lab. Let's see what that's doing. That thing's up. I collected some profits from it today. I'm gonna wait for that thing to go back down a tiny bit before I get some more into that one. Maybe just in case I'll throw a dollar in it for now. Because I already did collect a tiny bit of profit from that. Come on. Trades are taking forever. Got one too many orders going in and out all at once. Ah, gee. Okay, so that's done. NMG thingy, that's down. Once it's down, it's a good time to throw a tiny bit more of that one. For once it starts going up, I'll collect more profits on the way up. Okay, Archer, let's see what that's doing. That one's up for the day, down kind of in general. I might throw another dollar at that one. Once it starts going up some more, I'll collect some more. But right now, it's a good time to add a tiny bit more to that one. That's kind of like the future aviation, like air taxi type deal. It's a good one to have type deal. Okay, so that one's done. Let's see, USAR, what that's doing. Okay, market value 215. So I'm probably not going to do anything with that one for now. QUBT. Quantum computing, that's kind of down a tiny bit. I might add a tiny bit more to that one. Trade by, dollar cost average. Then we'll see what that does. Yeah, it's just being so glitchy. It takes forever for it to load. Like I said, I did a whole bunch of orders on Saturday, so everything's like orders are coming in, like other new like deals are going through. It's like crazy. One too many things all at once. AMD, let's see what that's doing. AMD is up. Only got a tiny bit of that one. Uh, Maybe I'll toss another dollar bill at that one since it's doing okay. Might as well make it go up higher and collect some more. So that should be all good. Dollar cost average up on that one. SOFX, just got rid of that one. It's going down a tiny bit. Might toss another dollar bill at that one just in case. The SoFi leverage, I think that's a good play. For sure, get that. Hell yeah. Hell to the yeah, be trading in the hood, be making lots of profit in the hood. Okay, that's done. Let's see what Delta Airlines doing. Get back to the Delta Airlines. That's up. That's ahead. That's in a profit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell all of the Delta Airlines. Not much of that one, but we'll take some profit and go back. I'm gonna go back and buy some more of the Delta airline, buy $1 more worth of it just to kind of track it. So that'll track the Delta airline. People will still keep on flying, because not too many people are afraid of heights and they gotta fly. So I guess I'll keep on doing that. So that's good. That's all good. I collected some profits from people flying. That's kind of nice. That's kind of better than nothing. So now I'm gonna go back to the talk. Let's see what we should do with that one. Maybe just in case, I should buy one more talk so I could be able to keep on talking type thing, Gotta keep on doing what I'm doing, just to kind of trade and make a tiny bit of money, so then I could donate it to like a poor doofus or something. Gotta figure it out. But then silver, let's see what's going on with silver. Silver's kind of bouncing around, down in general, but like I think I'm gonna not do anything with that one at the moment. Uber. Let's see what Uber's doing. I think I just collected some profits with that today. Looks like it keeps on going up, so all dollar cost average a tiny bit at the moment, just in case if it's gonna be like a tiny little bigger wave, I'll collect a tiny bit more on the way up. So that's good. In general, Uber stock is gonna be over $100 stock here shortly, so it's pretty much kind of like a no-brainer play. But I'm just taking it easy, just throwing and selling tiny little bits in here and there. I see plug power. I have plenty in that one. I'm probably not adding anything to that one. TSLL, Tesla leverage. That one's in the profit. I just sold some out of profit just for the heck of it. I'll sell out of this one completely. You know, like a tiny little day trade type deal. But it's just being so glitchy. Look at how over it's buffering. Like just to make a trade, it's like so stupid. It's like I got one too many orders going in and out at once. I think that's the thing. I got so much queued orders from Saturday, and then at the same time doing a whole bunch of new orders right now. Oh shit, like that disappeared and I forgot to buy some more, so I gotta go back to this one. I gotta go click on TSLL. See, it's just taking forever to load every single thing. It's like so weird. Trade, buy. I just sold some of that. I'll buy $1 more of that just to kind of track it. But it kind of sucks that it takes forever to do one trade because it's slow for some reason. This gives me some time to take a sip of coffee. Oh man, so crazy. Okay, that's done. That's a good one right there. Tesla's gonna go insane, crazy high soon. So that's awesome. Go back to the let's see, DSL gold. Let's see what gold's doing. Gold's climbing up a tiny bit. I'll probably just in case, just for the heck of it, toss another dollar bill at the gold. Throw lucky number one at that one for sure. I think that one's for sure totally way worth it. Done. Okay, gold's done. Let's see. Walmart's tanking. I'm gonna wait for Walmart to go down quite a bit more before I get some more of that one. Because I think eventually it's gonna go down some more. BMNR, let's see what that's doing. That one went up for the day, kind of down in general. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit of that one. I don't have too much in it, but I'm gonna add a dollar bill to that one. Let that grow for sure, like crazy for sure. Okay, that's good. That's all good. Let's see. DEFT. That one went up and then it's going back down a tiny bit. So I'm gonna kind of let that be for now. Open. Open's kind of going up, but I'm gonna have to let that go up some more before I'm in the profit. So that's good. Let's see. Grab. Grab is kind of down a tiny bit. So I might maybe throw like another dollar bill at that one just in case. Just in case once it goes up like crazy, I'll make a tiny bit more profit, so that's good. That's all good. Let's see, lift. Lift is kind of going down a tiny bit, but I got a whole bunch in the lift already, so I'm not gonna add to that one. But lift is a good stock. Lift is gonna be over $30 here in the near future. This lift stock, that one's gonna be like over $30 within now and like 3 months for sure, and then it's gonna go way higher. But Lumen, let's see what Lumen's doing. Lumen Technologies, that one's down a tad bit, like of what I got, but it's slightly up for the day, so I'm gonna add a tiny bit to that one. Probably add a $3 bill to that one. I think that one in general is gonna go up like crazy here shortly. I think Lumen's gonna explode to the upside, like not too far from here type deal. So that should be a good one. NVTS, see what NVTS is kind of climbing up high. That's awesome. But still, like this one's not in a profit, but it's climbing up. So that's good. Actually, want to see what it's doing in my what do you call it? Let's see what SoFi's doing. SoFi's climbing up, but from what I got, like I'm not in really much profit. Um, let's see here. Okay, that's done. That's done. That's good. That's all good. Cryptos, like doing whatever. I wanna see. I think I have like a NVTS call here. See if that's in a profit. It's kind of glitching out, so it's kind of hard to tell because this thing's up, and then this thing is just taking forever to load. Like I can't see what it's doing. What the hell is it doing? Come on. Why can't it refresh? It's just taking forever. It's like what's wrong with Robinhood? Come on, damn it. It doesn't want to show what it's doing. Oh, finally. So this one's up, so I'm gonna flip and get rid of it. So I'm gonna sell at 8.90. I'm gonna sell this call contract. Trade 8.90 trades, sell one at 8.90. Maybe I'll just in case I'll do 8.80 just to kind of 8.80 just to kind of get rid of it. Review, sell. Okay, it says order filled. Awesome. So I don't know if I actually made profit on that one or not, but I got rid of that contract. So that's good. Added that one. Let's see, BBAI call. I'm not sure how I'm doing on this one, but like that kind of sucky thing is it's taking forever to load. So this one's down a tiny bit. So I'm gonna wait for this one to go back up a tiny bit because I'm in the BBAI call. But seems like it's trying to go up, so that's a good thing. So I might, just in case, since I'm in this one, add like another dollar to that one, just to kind of make sure it grows some more, add to the trend a tiny bit, It just still kind of sucks that the iPad's being slow today. The other day, it was just going so fast. It was like swiping left and right, and all the orders were going like through so fast. This time, it's just, I don't know why it's like buffering forever. It's like taking forever to do one trade. It's like, what the hell? Like, it literally, like, totally doesn't make any sense. I don't know what the hell's wrong with it. I want to see what the profits looks like. The portfolio's up. So, like, the main portfolio is still up a tiny bit. The Roth IRA is down a tiny bit. So, everything's kind of like doing its own thing. But I want to see what the take-home profits are right now. Let me see. Take-home profits, what those look like. Okay, so it looks like the amount the take-home profits went up. So that's good. So 1 week. So 1 week of profits, take home cash that I made $596. Oh, come on. It's not like not wanting to load. I'm trying to see what the transactions that I made, and it's like loading forever. It's like what the hell is wrong with it? It's just taking forever just to look at the flipping transactions. But anyways, that's the amount that's the take home amount that I made buying and selling stocks. In last month I made $2,239. That's take home. That's stuff that I sold at a profit. But see, like I'm trying to look at the transactions. It's not letting me do that. 3 months is 3,932. I'm trying to see these transactions. I'm trying to make it open them, but it's not doing that for some reason. So I'm trying to refresh. I don't know why it's being extremely slow today. Doesn't make any sense. Year to date, over $5,000 take home. It's not too bad, 2 point something percent. So yeah, 1 week is 407. It says take home. Oh, yeah, it started. Oh, so I broke even on the NBTS right there. That's funny. So I broke even on that one, and I made very little on some of those over there. Not much at all. Just a few cents here and there. Let me see. Yeah, I didn't make much on those at all. Just barely anything. A few cents here and there, some dollars on some of them, but almost nothing. But anyways, the take home was 407 for the month. Okay, and I've got to find some more trades to do. Ah, yummy coffee. At least I opened up some more buying power. Right now I got 15,318, so that's good. Let's see, lift. See what lift is doing. Lift put. But yeah, this iPad's just so glitchy. It's so slow for right now. Like I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense. Why is it so slow? I'm trying to see what the return thing and everything is. It's not wanting to show that. It's just way too slow for some reason. It doesn't make any sense. Why is it that slow? Open cell put. That thing's going down. Right there's going up. Let's see, lift 20 put cells. Yeah, everything's just extremely slow. I don't get it. Talk. Got the 6 buys on that one, but I want to see what it's doing actually. It went up quite a bit, and then right now it's trying to go back down. And it's not wanting to show these. That whole return stuff. It's like hiding it from me. Doesn't make any sense. It's like, why is it being so stupid? Like, so slow. This thing's being so slow. I don't get it. I totally don't get what the hell's wrong with it. It's being super extremely slow. Okay, USAR started going down. Might have to flipping reboot the iPad or something because it's being too slow. It's like not doing what it needs to do. So if I call buys, look at it, it's not displaying everything properly. It's not showing everything properly. It's like not showing the returns, it's not showing anything. It's like what the hell is wrong with it? Doesn't make any sense. Why is it being so glitchy? Like I can't properly trade. Like nothing. It's not showing anything. I literally don't get it. Well, because it's being so stupid, I'm gonna go back to the flipping stocks and crypto. Maybe it'll show some of that. You know, maybe buy. I'm trying to buy crypto and it's being so slow with that too. It's like, what the hell? Like, it doesn't make any sense. It looks like there's a Wi-Fi signal. Looks like I'm connected, but thing is, why is it being so slow though? That doesn't make any sense. When I try to buy something, it's not working. Like, see, like I don't know what's wrong with it. Oh man, it's like things are kind of doing good, but like the tablet is just being stupid. It's like not wanting to work. Yeah, I'm in the profit. It's profit and loss. That's what I sold at a profit. But I'm gonna click out on something, trade, buy. Okay, right now it's letting me do that. Then why didn't it let me do the other thing? I don't get it. But still, at the same time, look at how slow it is. It's like taking it forever to do one flipping trade. Look at that. So retarded. Why is it doing that? It's like buffering and buffering just to do one tiny little trade. It doesn't make any sense. Oh man, that's so stupid. Yeah, I'll just have to flipping reset the tablet, probably turn it off and turn it back on. Hopefully that'll work because it's not flipping working because it's buffering forever. It's way, way, way too slow. Yeah, order completed. I have to change something here because it's like taking way too slow to do these trades. It's just ridiculously slow. Got to change something in it. I'm probably gonna have to reset the tablet. It's not working right. Gotta do something here. I don't know whether the iPad something wrong with it. It's glitchy or something weird's going on. I have to reset it. Okay, because it's working weird, I'll have to probably reset it. Let's see, go like this, close everything out, close all of everything here out. And then I'm gonna try to reboot the iPad. Let's see how that works. Turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off right now. Okay, slide. Turn off, and I'm gonna try to turn it back on, and hopefully it'll work better. Let's see, try to turn it back on. It's just being stupid. It's not working. So hopefully resetting the tablet will work. Rebooting it. Hopefully that'll work. Uh, okay, let's see. Oh, password. Oh no, password. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it'll work this time. Fingerprint. Hopefully it'll be a speedier process right now since I rebooted it. I guess we'll see. Oh man, this kind of weird. Kind of sucks when it does that. Well, let's see if it will be faster in doing trades because it was pretty bad. Like it was extremely, extremely slow. Let's see if I could even view the options that I got. Okay. Hopefully it's better. It's still taking some time to load some of these things. Like I can't, doesn't let me see the today's return, today's return and total return. It's not letting me view that. It's like still being slow. Okay, let's see the internet. Over there it says I'm connected to the internet, so that should be fine. So why is it being so stupid? Yeah, finally it's showing something, but still it's being so slow. So if I put that thing's down, see, so if I start, okay, SoFi is going good, the SOFX. So this is the, let's see, SOFX put sell. So that one's current price. That one's kind of market value. See, it takes forever for it to show the today's return and the total return. So market value is still being slow even after I reboot it. It doesn't make sense. It really doesn't make sense. Come on, why doesn't it show that? Maybe because it's up quite a bit or something? I don't know. Why doesn't it show it? That's so weird. I don't get it. Like, top six buys. So none of the return stuff, it doesn't want to show any of that. That's so weird. It's hiding it for some reason. I guess whatever. I'll try to do some normal trades since it's being so stupid with the options. It's not letting me see what the hell kind of returns I got. It's like hiding it. It just doesn't want me to collect the profit. Robinhood's just being glitchy. I be trading in the hood humbly and it's like not letting me. Okay, finally it started showing some of it. Okay, today's return $10, total return negative 25. So hopefully it'll keep on showing it because eh, that one's not showing it yet. Lift call buy. Okay, that's up, but then it's not showing the details. Still being extremely slow. I guess I'm gonna go and see. Okay, this one is showing something. Not much, but this one's plug power. This is I got the calls in this one, but it's not showing the return deal thingy. It's just being way, way, way too slow. And I don't know why. Guess sometimes it just wants to be glitchy. Guess while it's doing that, I might just go back and see what kind of stocks and whatnot I got and try to sell, buy whatever I could do. See Costco. See how long it'll take to make a trade here. Buy. Try to do buy $1 at Costco. See how long that will take. See, even after I reboot the tablet, it's still taking forever just to do one tiny little trade. I don't get it. What the hell is wrong with it? Look, one little trade, it's taking forever to do. That's insane. Maybe I should check the internet or something. Look at that. Just takes way too long just to do one tiny little trade. Oh man. Boy, how long is that gonna take? Oh man, it's taking one too many forever just to do one tiny little trade. Flipping, come on, do the trade. And I'm probably gonna have to, let's see. It's just not working. Maybe because it knows that I'm gonna make so much profit and it's trying to slow my device so I don't catch the profits or something, you know. It's being ridiculous. What should I do here? Maybe go to settings. Okay. Looks like I'm connected. Looks like everything's working. Okay, I'm gonna try to do another random trade. Hopefully it works here. For example, let's see, buy some SoFi. SoFi went up quite a bit. That's good. Actually, that thing's in the profit, so I'm gonna try to buy. Maybe buy $1 worth of this. Hopefully it works. See, I'm trying to just $1 of SoFi. Look, it's buffering forever. It's not letting me do the trade. Oh man, that's so stupid. Why are they doing that? They're not letting me do the trades. One simple trade. Am I collecting too much money for them? Does Robinhood think I'm making too much money? I'm just barely making anything. I'm just collecting tiny bits of profits here and there. Like, why are they doing that? I be like trading in the hood humbly and they like not letting me do the trades. Oh man. I don't know what their problem is. Like literally, what is their problem? Like one simple trade they're not letting me do. It's so stupid. Yes, my profits are going up in the portfolio, but why are they stopping me from trading? Literally, they're not letting me do any trades. It's like stupid. Not showing this here. Yeah, I don't get why they're doing that. I might try to restart the tablet again because something does just doesn't make any sense. So change this. I'm gonna turn this off again, and hopefully after I reboot it another time, it'll work. Coffee. Oh man, so stupid. Let me see. Try to turn it back on again. Whew. I wonder why it's doing that. It's not letting me trade is being extremely slow. Okay, move this back a tiny bit. Change this a tiny bit. Okay, password. Gotta put the password in. Okay, password's in. Looks like it's connected. There's a Wi-Fi signal there. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, fingerprint. Like Robinson almost seems like it kind of froze for no reason. Look, it's like not wanting to move. Nothing's wanting to change. Okay, finally it started moving a tiny bit. But it's being so glitchy, it doesn't make any sense. Why is it being so glitchy? I'll go back and I'll try to do a simple trade, like buy something tiny, for example. Let's see, let's buy a good stock here. Let's buy SoFi, see what it does. Buy $1. He's still taking forever to buffer to make one trade. Look at that. something's wrong with it. Like so, okay, your order buy is complete. That's good. Okay, so it's kind of looks like trying to start to work again. So that's good. Let's see the NVTS thingy. Let's see what that's doing. That one's up. Let's see. Let's try to sell all of this. Sell all NVTS. Hopefully it starts working on me here. Okay, sell. That's good. Get rid of all that. Looks like it's starting to work. That's good. Done. Awesome. It's starting to work back again. Buy. And buy one more dollar to track that. Hell yeah. Looks like it's starting to work again. That's good. Collected tiny little baby profits, but it's starting to work. That's good. Hell yeah. Okay, let's see how the numbers are moving. Yeah, so it looks like it's kind of starting to work again after being shut down for a while, after them blocking me from trading for some reason. But looks like it's starting to work again. That's good. Now let's see if I can see what's going on. See, it's still being slow because all of this, like, it doesn't fully load fast. But let me see this one, what it says on this. Yeah, see, it takes forever for it to kind of show the returns. Maybe they don't want to show the returns because I know it's not enough profit, but why are they hiding? Like, why are they hiding today's return, total return, all that stuff? Like, they're hiding all of that for some reason. It's so weird. Let me try to buy one share of this one. I mean, at least $1 of this one, see what it does. Yeah, today is just being stupid. It's not trading properly. I was just recently, just even in the morning, I was able to do some speed trades, and right now it's slowed down like crazy. I don't know why. Look at that. Look, one little trade. I already rebooted the tablet twice, and it's taking forever to do one trade. It's so ridiculous. Why is it so slow? It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, that's ridiculous. It's like way too slow. Let's see. Oh my God. It's taking forever with all this stuff. I see talk, 6 buys I got of this one. Okay, finally it started to show some of it here. That's good. Let's see, BBAI, see what that shows. Okay, that one's up for today, but down. Total returns down a tiny bit. So it looks like it's hopefully kind of starting to work again. That's nice. Maybe I'll try to buy one more dollar of this one. Let's see, $1. See if that'll go through. See, it's still being slow. Like it looks like it's kind of wanting to work. It's just taking forever. Just one tiny little trade is taking forever. Like I don't get it. Why is it taking forever to do a trade? I already rebooted the tablet like twice. I try to do everything. It's like being extremely slow. Like I don't get it. Like why? Why is it being so extremely slow? It's being extremely slow. Wait. Okay, I'm up on that one. Maybe buy one more dollar of that thingy. See how fast it'll buy that. See, one little trade, it takes forever to do. I'll have to reboot this thingy or figure something out because it's not really working properly or the way it should. Okay, that's done. Let's see what Nike's doing. Nike's up a tiny bit. Not much, but maybe I should get another share of Nike. Or not share, at least $1. Okay, looks like that one executed faster. That's good. That's good. Maybe it'll start working faster, the whole thing. Let's see. ABBOTT. That thing's up a tiny bit. Maybe dollar cost averaging that one. Maybe it'll start going working faster. Oh, nice. Looks like it's starting to work faster. Hell yeah. Looks like it somehow fixed itself a little bit. Maybe it'll keep on working better the whole time. Hopefully that's the case. Let's see. Owl. Let's see what Owl's doing. That one's up a tiny bit. Maybe I'll throw another dollar bill at that one, see what it does. Hopefully that works good. Okay, one thing you have Owl is purchased. That's awesome. And it's still sometimes being glitchy, like right now. Like some orders are going through fast, some orders are just taking time, taking their sweet time. Let's see. ARCT. Let's see what that's doing. That thing's going up a tiny bit. I'll probably buy another dollar worth of that. Just in case, just for the heck of it, throw a dollar bill at that one. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, some trades are fast, some trades are slow, just taking forever for them to load them for some reason. Okay, swipe up. Okay, that's done. Let's see, let's go on the next one. BITX. That thing, I already sold some of that at a profit today. I'll probably get maybe throw one more dollar at that. It's like Bitcoin leveraged. I think that's a decent one. But yeah, it's still weird that the trades are taking forever. Sometimes it speeds up a tiny bit and then it's just slow. It's like totally doesn't make any sense. But I guess it is what it is. I got one more of that. Hood. Okay, right now Hood is a problem because this is Robinhood. I'm trading on Robinhood like it's being glitchy as hell. So I don't know if I should invest in that. See, it's in a profit a tiny bit. Maybe throw a dollar in that one just in case. Let's see what it does. It's just see like tiny little trading is taking forever. It's like spinning and spinning like there's buffering, it's buffering. Like one tiny little trade takes forever to do. Get done. Be trading in the hood and Robinhood and it's being slow as hell. It's extremely slow as hell. Apply digital. This one's kind of down. Total return. I'll probably add a tiny bit to that one. Maybe a dollar bill for now, just for the heck of it. It's buffering forever for no reason. Like, it doesn't make any sense at all. Why it's being so slow. Taking forever to do a trade. Okay, after the apply digital, let's see, maybe go to the MP materials. That thing's kind of down a tiny bit. I don't have too much in that one. I'll probably add a dollar into that one just in case, just for the heck of it. Come on, why is it taking forever to do the flipping trade? So annoying. So flipping annoying. I don't know why it's taking so forever to do a trade. Look at that. It's like spinning and spinning and spinning. I really don't get it. What the hell is wrong with it? Come on. Okay, for right now, I'm gonna see what the hell's doing up top there. It looks like it's going up, so it looks like I'm doing getting some profits. But the thing is, Robinhood is so flipping slow. It doesn't want me to collect the profits. It's like it's not wanting me to make money. It's like what the hell? Like when I'm making money, Robinhood's trying to stop me from making money. It's like retarded. It's like I'm investing on their brokerage, you know. I'm investing on their flipping brokerage, and they're like trying to stop me from making money on their brokerage. It's like what the hell? It doesn't make any sense. It's like come on, I'm trying to make money here. Why are you guys blocking me? But anyways, I gotta go take a tiny little break. I'll be right back. I'll just have the screen on for a little bit. But yeah, I don't know, like the Robinhood brokerage is just being slow. Okay, I'm back here. Hopefully Robinhood will let me trade because they haven't been letting me trade. Or at least they're making it too slow, like way too slow. Let's see SoFi, for example. SoFi is up in the profit, not much, maybe just for the heck of it. Let's see if it'll let me sell it all. See how fast that'll work. Sell all SoFi. See, that's the thing. Is look how long it's buffering. Like it's almost not letting me do any trade. It's like so weird. Like I don't know why they're being so slow. I already reboot the tablet twice, reset the internet and everything. It's just taking them forever to do these. Like a single trade is taking forever. It shouldn't be that hard. Buy buy one more dollar of this to kind of track it. Hopefully it'll speed up a tiny bit. Like it's still like a tiny one trade is just taking forever. Like forever type deal. Yeah, it's taking so forever. Now I gotta swap my earbuds. Oh man, this is so annoying. Okay, so it looks like it executed, but still so stupid. Just that one trade takes forever to do. Like what the hell? Like why is it taking so forever? I gotta swap my earbuds right now. Okay, earbud swap almost done here. Okay, okay, swap my earbuds. Hopefully Robinhood will let me trade. Okay, let's see. Just in case, I'll try to do like one of the random trades, see if it'll actually execute. It's just right now it's just so slow. Let's see, maybe I should do just for the heck of it, I'll probably do, let's see, I'll try Lumen. Let's see, trade just for the heck of it by $1 Lumen. See how fast that'll take. But see, that's the issue there because it's taking forever. Just one tiny little trade is just taking forever. Look at that. Robinhood knows I'm making money and is trying to stop me from making money. 'Cause I'm just collecting profits left and right. And it's blocking me. What the hell? Look at that. Just one one transaction, one tiny transaction is just taking forever. It's so weird. Like why are they doing that? Maybe I should sell everything out and trade on a different brokerage because obviously, like I'm making profits, but they're just being slow. Like they're not letting me execute more orders fast enough, you know? It's like what the hell's wrong with them? I'd be trading in the hood and they'd be screwing me, you know, because I'm using Robinhood, you know? It's like what the hell? See, just this, like I can't really look at anything. They're not letting me look at the returns till today's return. Like the options, they're hiding the facts from me. Like what the hell? Let's see, for example, SoFi, check, SoFi 25 call buy. Come on, show it to me. It's like not showing what it's doing. It's like what the hell? Why is it being so glitchy to me? Do I have to wait forever for them to show the stats of my trade? It's like what the hell's wrong? Come on, show it. Show it, show it, show it. Why isn't it showing? Wow, it's so messed up. They're being so slow. It's because once I'm starting to get in the profits in certain trades, they're trying to hide the details, you know? You see, like it says I'm up $435, but then they're hiding it. They don't want me to sell at a profit no more. I don't know why. It's like, why is Robinhood being so stupid? Come on. For example, trade, sell, one position. I could sell it, but then like I don't know what to sell it for because they're hiding my returns there. It's like so stupid. It's so stupid. They're hiding information from me, not letting me trade properly. Because look, it's going in the profit, and they're not wanting me to collect the profit to lock it in. It's like doesn't make any sense. Come on, refresh. It's being ridiculous. I don't know what the problem is. For example, I'm gonna try to do another simple trade here. Hopefully it'll work. Let's see. I did Lumen recently. Maybe I'll do, yeah, just for the heck of it, I'll do the Tesla leverage. Hopefully that'll work. Uh, just buy a tiny bit of it just for the heck of it. See how fast it'll execute. Well, just the one little thing, like one little trade, it's taking forever. It's spinning and spinning and spinning. What the hell is its problem? It's just not letting me do the trades. I really don't get it. Why are they being so slow? It really doesn't make any sense. Like all the other days, like it was executing orders super extremely fast, like left and right. And right now it's like being extremely slow for some reason. Because look at that. It's doing good. Everything's like doing good, but it's just taking forever for it to execute my trades. That's the problem. I don't know. I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, I don't know. It's just being too slow for some reason. Okay, this one's starting to go back up a tiny bit. The SoFi, two buys. It's not wanting to show the total return stuff for some reason. So why doesn't it want to show the today's total return stuff? It's being so slow, I might have to connect to my hotspot on the phone or something, because it's just not working. Because I could, yeah, see, that's why they didn't want to show it, because I'm in the profit. Look at that. I'm in the profit. They don't want to show that. So I'm gonna flip and sell this at a profit. Okay, sell. Let's see, 10.23. Okay, I'll do trade. Sell for 10.23. I don't care. I'll get rid of that. Medium likelihood. See, just one contract. It takes forever to sell, to get rid of. It's like retarded. Error. See, right now they're doing an error. What the hell? Why error? Review. Come on. Update to 1025. Okay, fine. 1025. I'll do that. It's like being so slow. Okay, your limit order for SoFi call failed. Okay, hell yeah, I collected that profit. Finally, I got rid of a contract. But you see how slow it was. Wasn't letting me collect profit from this SoFi call that I had. It's like, what the hell is their problem? It's like, doesn't make any sense. At least that one got through. The other ones, I don't know if I'm at a profit or not, but look how slow it is. I'm trying to get in. They're not letting me do anything. Just Robinhood is so slow. I'm not even sure if this one's at a profit. This one's at a profit today, but its total return is still kind of down, so I'm gonna wait that one to do its own thing. Let's see another one that I have here. So if I call buy, it's probably the same thing. It's probably at a profit today, but in general, it's probably down a tiny bit. But anyways, it's I don't know why everything's just so slow. Come on, like literally, it's like not letting me even view my stuff. It doesn't want me to sell at a profit or something. I don't think this one's at a profit. Shit, my battery's low on my phone, but it's taking me forever to even see what the hell is going on with the today's return and the total return. They're like hiding that from me. Looks like it's starting to kind of load. I don't know what it's gonna be at right now. Come on. Okay, yeah, this one today, so it looks like it's up today, but in general, this one is kind of down a tiny bit. So at least I'm able to view it, which is nice. So I think those are the only SoFi ones I got left. Is this one that I just seen, this SoFi call 27, and then this SoFi call 27 right here. I think the SoFi calls. There's no SoFi two of them, two calls. There's no SoFi one. So I got three of the SoFi. Let's see what's the SOFX put sell doing. Yeah, it's just crazy how slow it is. Like I can't trade the way I need to trade. It's like Robinhood is being super glitchy. Maybe one too many people are using it all at once, or like what? So this one's starting to kind of almost get profitable. It's up today $175. So I need to for it to go up a tiny bit more to collect some profits. But in general, this thing's doing good, but I gotta just wait a little bit. So yeah, lift five cells, see what that's doing. Okay, that one's doing okay. Probably wait for that one to go up. That's the premium that I should collect from that one. So that's all good. Let's see what BBAI is doing. Okay, so that one's starting to go up, which is good. If it'll keep on going up, I got some of the this call option I could sell out at a profit. So that's good. Once it goes up a tiny bit more, I could collect some profit with that one. This one probably I'm not doing too good on, but it's taking forever to see. Yeah, see this one I'm down quite a bit. But I made money on this one with the poor man's covered call, so I collected some money earlier, so that's good. It doesn't matter. 20 call. Let's see, plug. Yeah, that's doing. Okay, that one's down. It's up to date, but it's down, so it's fine the way it is. I got a whole bunch of contracts on that one. Okay, gotta wait for SoFi to go up a tiny bit more to be able to collect some profits with that one. Okay, hopefully the internet will start working better because it was pretty bad here for a while. I want to see what kind of the profits went up, which is good, and Robinhood was glitching out like crazy hell today. It wasn't letting me trade. It's still kind of slow, but I'm able to collect some profits right now. Like it's weird that like they glitched out on me. They didn't want me to collect profits. But right now seems like it's starting to do a little bit better. So that's good. I want to see if I could let me see what the profits take home that I did. Um right there. So I collected some profits. So see the week for 1 week, it's 407.47. It's just loading. I think it should be more than that. It's just taking forever to load. See, like the take home profits. Okay, so for 1 month, take home profits 2,185. Like I said, this Robinhood deal is so slow, it's taking forever to load. So 3 months made 4,000 take home profit, 4,091. Okay, 1 week, I made in 1 week take home profits, I made $497. 1 month take home profits, I made 2,275, which is not that bad. This is the last one that I got the SoFi call. I sold it at $90 profit. In 3 months is $4,091. That's take home profits. That's the stuff I sold to collect the money. And then year to date, 5,195. But that's still short term because I recently started doing this on Robinhood. So I guess that's better than nothing. Hopefully, I'll be able to continue doing some trades because, like I said, Robinhood was super slow earlier. Actually, I gotta plug in the phone because the phone that I'm using to record this on is pretty much dead. I gotta plug it in right now, so it's gonna move a little bit. Okay, so I plugged it in so that it doesn't die on me. That way, I'm able to record or able to continue recording at least at the minimum. Okay, so that's good. Okay, hopefully that's kind of recording good enough or where it should be. Okay, let's see what kind of trade I should do now. Um, let's see what this thing is doing. Okay, so this one's down a little bit. I'm not gonna get any more of that. That's a contract that I got. BBAI call. I just recently I gotta wait for that one to go back up a tiny bit. But while these things are doing their thing, let's see. Lift 20 call. That one's down a tiny bit. Once it goes up a little bit more, I could make some money on it. Um, so if I call by 27, okay, that one's down a tiny bit. Maybe I could do like a poor man's covered call on this one, just in case if SoFi goes down, I could go on this one, go trade options. Maybe I could sell a call for November 7th just for the heck of it. Just one, just to kind of hedge whatever I got. I think that might be worth it. Sell a call on like maybe 30. Once it reaches the price of 30, I could get rid of all the positions at a profit. Maybe do that one. So sell a call, one contract at, let's see, to collect a tiny bit more premium, I could do 1.60. Let's see if that'll fill. Medium likelihood, maybe 1.65. Low likelihood, I'll just do 1.6, maybe 3. Low likelihood, 6.1. Medium, 6.2. So I'll try 6.1. See if that'll fill. Okay, order has been placed. I don't know if that'll fill, but at least with that one, if it does execute, I'll hedge the position. If it'll go down, I'll collect some money with this position. That's a poor man's covered call, or a PMCC, or a diagonal, depending which brokerage you're using. So that's a tiny little hedge by doing a poor man's covered call on that thingy. Um, let's see. Yeah, some of them are just taking forever to load. Okay, this one's down. I have a whole bunch of contracts on that one, but I'm not doing no poor man's covered call or anything on that one. Let's see, XRP looks like it's trying to go up a tiny bit, still not up high enough to collect profits. I'm gonna let that be. Let's see, Bitcoin. I think I sold a tiny bit that at a profit today. I got back in. Let's see, SoFi. Let's see what SoFi is doing. SoFi is going up a tiny bit. Might add another dollar to it just for the heck of it. Hopefully the trades will start going faster. It looks like it's getting better a little bit. It's extremely slow earlier for some reason. Hopefully it'll start getting better. This one's probably gonna wait on this one for now. Wait for it to go lower before I do anything with that one. Let's see. Okay, your order to sell one contract of SoFi calls like completed. That's awesome. So I want to check that one out. The one I just did. So it looks like it's going up a tiny bit, making a tiny bit of profit. Uh, let's see, SoFi call, SoFi call, SoFi call. Okay, SoFi call. I want to see the SoFi call sell that I did. Just did a SoFi call. Right there, SoFi call sell. I just did this one. Okay, this is the one that like if it goes down, I could collect some money on it going down, and just for the heck of it, I could probably do that right away. So right now it's going for 161. I could do a buyback for like 155 or like something a little bit, and I'll make a difference profit. So I'll do trade. I'll click buy. I'll do buy one at 1.55. Once that hits that, I'll make some profit on that, by just buying this back. It's like a poor man's covered call, and then that's just collecting money on premiums. And on that, I could pretty much do unlimited trades like that. I pretty much got unlimited buying power. I could just non-stop collect premiums left and right with that one as long as it, executes. And I've done a lot of that, which is nice. It's like literally like we have unlimited buying power with that to just collect non-stop profits. So that's pretty good. Okay, let's see. On the go, and I'll start dollar cost averaging into some of the stocks that I got here. I'm gonna start here with the SoFi trade. Get a dollar at that thingy right now, just in case, just for the heck of it. Throw a lucky number one at that thingy. Okay, then we go to the next one. To the NVTS, that thing went up like crazy. I might maybe buy a put on that one. Maybe, I'm not sure. It's kind of risky. Or I'll probably not do anything on that one for now. I'll probably let that one go down a tiny bit more. Okay. Thing is, like this one could go up like crazy some more, so it's kind of risky Maybe I should do like what do you call it? Maybe I should do like a straddle on this thing. Maybe a straddle might be worth it. Trade options and do like a straddle deal where like whatever it does. Let's see, maybe do a straddle for this to see how much it will cost to do a straddle. Actually, I gotta go build position, go like this. I'll click on long straddle, click the date, go to, let's see, January 15, 2027. And for example, just click this straddle and then see what it does. Review. Okay, max loss was 1,645. Maybe I'll just do one for the heck of it and then we'll see what happens. One. Okay, low likelihood. Maybe I should get it, maybe I should not. I know it's kind of risky, but that might be something to possibly make a tiny bit of money on, but I'll probably wait on that one. I think it's kind of too risky. I mean, it's kind of easy to make money with that one, but it's probably kind of too risky. Maybe get some lumen. I might get some more lumen. That one's going up a tiny bit. Get $1 of that one, just in case, just for the heck of it. I think it might be worth it. Okay, awesome. That was purchased. Let's see, lift. Lift just kind of went up. Now it's going back down a tiny bit. I'll probably grab a tiny bit of the lift deal. Hell yeah. Okay, now I'll probably go all the way back down after this one. Let's see, grab is kind of still down a tiny bit. I'll add $1 to that. Grab another, grab some grab. It's kind of like its name speaks out for itself. Saying to grab it, which I just did. Okay, now I'm gonna scroll all the way back up to see how it's doing. So it looks like it's going up some more, which is nice. So I gotta keep on buying them shares, doing some day trades, some option trades, some swing trades, have a whole mix together, a whole good combo, and then that'll make it go up a tiny bit. I think it's worth it, kind of, sort of halfway. Some orders are still going through from Saturday that I did, like some queued orders. I did a live stream on Saturday. I was buying a whole bunch of queued orders for Monday, and a whole bunch of them are like going through right now. So I'm gonna go scroll all the way down, past all the stuff I got. I'm gonna go down, 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 and here I'm gonna start dollar cost averaging into some of these things that I got. Okay, so Costco is going down a tiny bit. I'll add a tiny bit more to that one. Costco is always a good buy because long term is going to be going up quite a bit like crazy. So it's like a no-brainer. Coin, I think I just sold out at a profit that one today. I'll probably go sell just in case, sell all of this. It won't be much profit, but I gotta get rid of it just to kind of re-control the whole thing. I gotta re-monitor the price. So I'm gonna put $1 more in right now just to kind of track it. Okay, so after coin, I'm gonna go back to the other thingy. I'm gonna go to Nike. I think I bought some of that today. I'm gonna buy some tiny bit more of Nike. I think it's gonna keep on going up a tiny bit. I'm just doing a tiny little bits of amounts here and there. But anyways, I think that's worth it. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the ABT. I think that one's a good one. That one's worth it. That one's going up. I'm gonna dollar cost average up with that one a tiny bit, because I have a tiny bit of buying power, so I think it's all good. It's all worth it. It's just being slow again right now for some reason. I don't know why. I'm just having problems with the Robinhood brokerage deal. It's taking forever to execute some trades. Like it literally doesn't make any sense. Like why it's being so slow. Come on. It's just being way too slow. Finally, that's done. Come on, why is it so slow? I want to see what the hell is going on. Why is it being so slow? It's like, well, once I start climbing in the profits, this thing is wanting to get super extremely slow. Like, it looks like I opened up the poor man's covered call that I did with the SoFi. Looks like that executed because see the buying power opened up a little bit more. So yeah, I think it's doing its thing. So let's see what happened here in the profit area. Yeah, looks like something went through because the profit take home went higher a tiny bit. Come on, taking so forever. Why is it taking so forever? Come on, come on, come on. Man, this is so annoying today, just taking way too forever. Looking at the profits, the take home, I want to see like the things, the profits that I took, but it's loading forever for me to see that. Oh man, Robin is so annoying today. Way too annoying. Okay, finally. But I don't think it's showing everything. So SoFi made money in that coin. That's a tiny bit. So yeah, very little, but looks like the SoFi call I made more money on today. So yeah, it's still better than nothing. Okay, so that's good. Let's see. I want to see if I still have the poor man's covered call going on here. SoFi call. Okay, so that one's still pending. If it'll reach that amount, I'll be able to collect some profits on that one. Um, but yeah, this thing is just being so annoying. It's taking forever to do any type of trade. Let's see what Shopify is doing. Shopify is in a tiny bit of profit. I might try to get some more of that one. But yeah, it's just way too glitchy, way too slow for no reason. I don't know why. It doesn't make any sense, but it's being way too slow. I'm not used to it being that slow. I think what I gotta do because I got so much things on flipping Robinhood is because of that. Maybe it's being too slow. I don't know. Something's wrong with it. But look at that. Like just one flipping trade is taking forever. It's like spinning, spinning, and spinning like crazy. It's like what the hell? It's like taking one too many forevers to fill. Finally. Oh man, finally, look at that. Like way too many forevers. Oh, that's crazy how slow it is. Way, way, way too slow. That's that's way too slow. I don't know why it's being that slow. It's crazy, insane slow. It's like, why is it glitchy? Like I'm making money, the account's growing, but then they don't want me to execute my trades for some reason. You know, it's like, what the hell is their problem? Like I'm almost wanting to just, I don't know, stop trading, but then if I stop trading, I stop making money. So I gotta keep on trading. It's just being so slow. It doesn't make any sense. It's like, why is it being so slow? I don't get it. Uh, Maybe I should flip into another trade. But the thing is, if I do another trade, it takes them forever to execute. Lift, call, sell. See what that's doing. Get that one's down a tiny bit. See where lift is heading. Is it going down a tiny bit, which is fine. I see lift, put, buy. Yeah, just to view one little thing, it takes forever. Yeah, that one's down. That one expires 10/24, so I got some time for that, but I think I gotta eventually close this out because I think Lyft will be going down long term, and this puts is just a hedge for a whole bunch of positions that I got, like a short term hedge. Open, put, sell. Let's see what that's doing. Okay, that thing there is kind of up for the day. I think over here it's gonna be down. It's just crazy. It takes forever. Okay, so that one's positive for the day. In general, it's kind of negative a little bit. SOFX put. See what that's doing. Come on. Why is it taking forever? SOFX is going up, obviously. Then I want to look at the contract, see where it's at, the returns, but it's taking forever to load. Okay, finally it's showing. So it's up for today, 175. And total return is down a little bit. So I think that one I'm gonna let it be as is. That's the premium that I should collect from it, the total premium, apart from what that is. So I'm probably just gonna wait on that one for now, not do anything. But I might, just for the heck of it, maybe not buy that, but trade, go on this one, trade, buy, at least throw $1 on it right now just to kind of dollar cost average if I can. If it'll let me, it's just being extremely slow. Okay, that's done. Okay, it looks like the profits kind of keep on climbing up, which is good. I'm gonna keep on selling some stocks at a profit. Just gotta drink some of my tea. Some yummy tea. So effects purchased. Okay, good. Hell yeah. And get some more tea drink for myself. Oh, good stuff right there. Some green tea mixed with chamomile tea, mixed with roasted dandelion tea and some blueberry tea. Everything all at once. Some good stuff. Oh man. Come on. Okay. Got my tea drink filled up here. Get a sip of some water. Ah, good stuff. I don't know why the screen is so blurry. Okay, now that's better. Let's see if it could speed up some of the trades for me or not, because it's being extremely slow today. I don't know why, but it's being extremely slow today. I'm gonna try to buy some more of the Lumen thingy. See, like get $3 worth of it, just to kind of see if it'll let me execute that fast enough. Still, like one little trade, it's taking a while to execute. That kind of really doesn't make any sense why it's being that slow. Like it totally doesn't make any sense. Grab it starting to go back up. I'll probably toss another dollar bill at that one just in case. Okay, looks like it's being a tiny bit better, so that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna go back up and see like how much better it's doing. It's doing okay, kind of. Roth IRA is up, but not that much up. But looks like it's doing okay. Let's see. Let's see what this one's doing. This one's up a tiny bit, not enough to be in a profit, so I'm gonna let that one be. BM&R, maybe get some more of that one. Yeah, that one's starting to kind of go back up. I'm gonna throw another dollar bill at that one to kind of collect more when it goes up higher, collect some more profits with that. It's just still being extremely slow. If you guys can look, it's just taking forever for like every single trade. It doesn't make sense. See Walmart. I'm gonna let that go down a lot more before I get into that one. That one's a good company. I made lots of money on that one, but I'm gonna let it go down to like $100 before I get some more, or even like 95 or something like that. Gold. Whoa, it's crazy how high it went. Damn. I just sold some today at a profit, but it reached $400. That's insane. That is flipping insane. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell all gold. That's gonna be tiny little profit, not much, couple cents. And then just for the heck of it, I'll flip and get $1 just to track it. It's like nothing. It's like more funny than anything, but like it's crazy. It went so high up. TSLL, like see, maybe get some of that. Let's see, I have a tiny bit in that one. I'll probably throw another dollar bill at that just to kind of see what it does. Okay, so that's good. This trade is still kind of slow, but it's still doing its thing. Let's see where plug power's at. Plug power's up for the day, but still not where I want it to be. Uber, I think I took some profits on Uber today. I might throw another dollar at that thingy just for the heck of it. Just for the flipping heck of it. Okay, that's good. Like I predicted Uber to be over $100 like pretty soon, and I think it's heading that way. But I'm just dollar cost averaging a tiny bit here and there. Silver's kind of doing its up and down thingy. I don't have too much of it. I might just maybe throw a dollar bill at that just in case. That's done. Let's see. Talk. Maybe buy one thingy of the talk. So I could continue to talk a little bit. Okay, that's good. Let's see, Delta Airlines. I think I sold that today at a profit, but it's still keeping on going up. So I'll probably hold off on that one for now. Although that's a good one. SOFX, that one up quite a bit. AMD, that thing is up a tiny bit. I'll probably just let that be for now. QUBT, that's still kind of like, gotta get some more of that just to get into some profits while once it starts going back up again. It's still being slow. Like how long it takes to do one transaction is just taking forever for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. It's just taking forever. It's being slow today. Come on, Robin Hood. Why so slow? Why flipping being so slow? I don't get it. It's like literally it's taking forever. Like spinning and spinning. It's like what the hell? Like I said, I think it's also being glitchy and taking forever because I got a whole bunch of orders that I did on Saturday, like the queued orders, and it's taking forever for those to go through, and it's messing up everything else type deal. I think that's kind of like what the problem is. Okay, USAR looks like it's going up back a little bit. And I probably still have enough of this one, so I'm not gonna get any more of that one. Archer Aviation, that's going down a tiny bit. I'll probably add a tiny bit to that one, just in case and just for the heck of it. Yeah, I still don't know why Robin is being so slow. Like literally, like every single transaction is taking forever. It's taking way too long just to do one transaction. It doesn't make any sense. It's like, why is it so slow? Like, I don't get it. Finally, I think I gotta go and see where I got the pending orders that I have queued in from flipping Saturday. Maybe I should try to cancel all of those if I could find them. Once I cancel all of those, maybe my trading could go faster a tiny bit. Maybe that'll help. I don't know, because it's being extremely slow. Maybe I should try to cancel the orders, some of the ones I had from Saturday. Maybe that'll make it better for the trading. Because all the transactions I'm doing, it like it takes forever to do. Yeah, I might try to like cancel some of those if I can. Just Robinhood in general is being super glitchy today. I don't know why. See, like the numbers are not even moving. Like it just froze. Look at that. It's not doing anything. It's like why? Why is it glitchy? Why is it so glitchy? Like it literally froze. See, the numbers are not even moving. Like, what the hell? I see. It's being extremely slow. See, it says I'm connected to the not the hotspot, but to the internet. But for some reason, it's being extremely slow. Like it doesn't want to show what it's changing to the profits. Like, do I have one too many things going at once, or it doesn't make any sense? Look, it just froze. Like the whole thing. It's like, okay, it changed a little bit. So the digits, the numbers don't want to move. But I'm gonna go try to make a random trade, see if it'll go through or not. Let's see. I'll go back to the lumen thingy. Let's get some more lumen at this price. Just for the heck of it, I'll try to get like $3 worth. See how long that'll take me to do. See, another simple trade. Just taking way too long to do. Like it doesn't make any sense. It's like I don't know why it's being so slow. Maybe get some more of this one. Maybe it'll start speeding up, hopefully. Let's see what the DEFT is doing. It's down a tiny bit. Ever since DEFT is down a tiny bit, I might maybe throw $1 at it just in case. You know, the Robinhood brokerage is still being slow. Okay, that's done. Let's see the next one. Gold. Gold is going up pretty crazy. Plug, let's see what Plug's doing. Plug is trying to go back up a tiny bit. I'll leave that one where it's at for now. Uber's doing its own thing. I'll probably wait on that one for now. Silver, let's check silver. Silver's kind of doing its own thing. I'll probably wait on that one before I do anything else. Let's see, talk. See what talk is doing. That one's down a tiny bit. Delta Airlines. That one's up a tiny bit. I'll just let that one do its thing for now. UUBT, that one's down a little bit. I might get a tiny bit of that one since it's down. Maybe $1 worth for now. Quantum computing. Yeah, it's still taking forever to do some orders. I don't know why, but it is what it is. Let's see what the USAR. USAR looks like it's starting to go back up a tiny bit, but I'm not gonna get any more of that one for now. Let's see Archer Aviation. That one's doing okay. I got some money into that. I'll probably throw a tiny bit more into that one. Maybe throw like a dollar bill at that one for now. Just to kind of dollar cost average some more into it a little bit. Man, it's crazy how slow Robinhood is today. I'm not sure whether it's Robinhood in general or maybe it's the tablet that I'm on, but I mean I rebooted the tablet twice, so I don't think it's the tablet. I think it's probably Robinhood being slow in general. I don't know why. This is the first time that it's like that slow. And for me, it's kind of like doesn't make any sense. I'll probably throw another dollar at that one. Tiny bit dollar cost average. Like, it like takes lots of patience sometimes with these stocks like this. Like I don't want to just throw everything at it. I just dollar cost average a little bit at a time because once it goes lower, then once it goes higher to where I started buying it, then that's where you're gonna have lots of profits. But you just can't throw all your money in at once because then you're set at one price and then you won't be doing that great. So I'm just tossing a tiny bit here and there into these while they're going down, and eventually they'll go back up with profits. Rocket Lab, I sold out at this one at profits today, so I bought it like a tiny bit just to kind of keep track of it. Looks like it's going down a little bit, so I'll probably wait for this one to go back down a tiny bit before I get into some more of that one. Amazon, I think I sold out at a profit with that one too, and I'm gonna probably keep on dollar cost averaging to it because it's a good company. Okay, that's done. Let's see what it says. Like, yeah, the chart looks pretty good. Like it's about to start making a lot of money. The Amazon deal. It's a very good play. So yeah, I'm just gonna maybe throw another dollar at that one. Amazon's always a very good one. Okay, that's good. BBAI, see what that's doing. So it went up quite a bit. Looks like then it went down a tiny bit. So I got options on this one. So I got enough in it. So for right now, I'll wait on getting more of that one. Serve Robotics, let's see what that's doing. That looks like it's kind of starting to go back up. And I got plenty in that one. I might throw another dollar bill at that one just in case. Once it starts going back higher where I started getting it, I'll sell it at a profit. It's just taking forever to execute the trade. Robin is just being super slow. Let's see. IREN, see what that's doing. So that thing started going down a tiny bit. So I might throw, actually, it started to go down, but I'm still in a profit with that. So I might as well, since it's in the profit, I'll sell all, get rid of all of it since I'm ahead, and then maybe just get a dollar of it and then keep track of it on its way down type deal. Probably do that. Okay, that's done. Okay, sold out of that thing. And trade and buy one more dollar of that just to kind of keep track of that. Okay, so that's good right there. Sold out of that. Let's see what's next. Google. Let's see what Google's doing. Google's doing okay. I might toss like another maybe let's say $3 bill at that one for now. Throw a lucky number three at it. Let's see what it does. Okay, that's good. See, Apple, I think I just sold off out of that one at a profit, which is nice. Taking profit is always good. I'll probably right now throw like another dollar bill on that just to kind of dollar cost average, just to kind of see what it does. Okay, that's good. One apple a day will keep two doctors away type deal, so it's good. So it's good. That's better than nothing. Okay, that one's momentous. That one is kind of down a tiny bit. I'll add a tiny bit to that one. So okay, this is the one that it wants me to buy in a share. Okay, buy one share. That's fine. Review. I'll buy one share of that. That works. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Go back to This one here, I don't have much in this one, but looks like it's going down. But I think because it was going up for like a long time, but I might still keep on doing that. So I might maybe just in case, just for the heck of it, dollar cost averaging, not in shares, but in dollars, get like one more dollar into that one. Kind of like just in case and just for the heck of it, it might be kind of better than nothing. Sometimes it's good to dollar cost average into like decent things like this. Hims is a good one. I'm not sure if I should sell a put on that one to collect some premium or not. Let's see. I don't have too much into that play. Maybe I might just in case, just for the heck of it, throw a dollar in it right now. Okay, that's good. And right now, I might try to sell a put on it, maybe, because selling a put, like, I could collect some decent premiums with that. Because it's kind of more long term. With the economy being all weird, I'm not sure. Let's see, trade options. This one, sell put. Let's see if I would sell one. Sell put for like, it goes down to like that amount, collect that money, but then let's see, say I'll do $40, say, so, okay, let's see, give to us the app. Oh, this app is called Robinhood. If if you go to the if you go to my description of the video of this live stream, that's the first link. That's the app that I'm using. You could hear me. It's in the video in the description. This app is called Robinhood. Like if you click on my description on my video, that's the first link. So like I put three links, three different brokerages that I do, and the first link is this one. That's the one that I'm using. So this one, if I sell put on this one, that might be a good deal to do because then I'll just collect premiums on that one. So maybe do one contract, maybe try to do the max premium. So if it doesn't reach, so this is like a cash secured put. If it doesn't reach 40, if this HIM stock won't reach $40 by November 7th, I'll collect this whole premium right here. I'll collect this $117.96. That's if it doesn't reach. If it reaches that amount, like I'll have to buy those shares for that price, and I also still collect that premium right there. That's kind of like how this deal works. So I'll try to get into it, just to collect some extra premium stuff. So I could try to collect more money for doing this. So I'll try to do like one, maybe point 20. See what that does to collect a higher premium, to collect more money. See, it still says high likelihood to get filled. So I could try to get more money for that one, 1.30. So this one says low likelihood. Let's see. Sometimes I try to find the best deal. Let's see, 1.25 maybe. It says medium. Let's see, 1.26. Medium, 1.27. That's medium, 1.28. It says medium, 1.29. It says low likelihood. So what I'll do is I'll still do the 1.30. And I said, got a whole bunch of things being executed here, but okay. So I'll try to do 1.30. Says low field likelihood, but I'll let that bounce around, and once it does hit that strike price, it'll be a good thing to have it at that. So if HIMS won't reach the price of $40 a share, so I'll collect $129 within that time frame. So this is like a cash secured put. It's like pretty much collecting free money. It's like taking free money from the stock market type deal. It's like you're being the insurance, underwriting the insurance deal thingy. So I'll try that one. Hopefully I get, put into that one because even if it does go to $40, I don't mind getting this HIMS at $40. It's a very good telehealth marketing type. you know, deal. Okay, so that's done. I don't know if I'll get filled into that one, but that's a decent one. Over here, I'll probably see it in the open orders. So it looks like for today, everything's kind of doing okay. It's doing good. Everything's kind of still trying to go up. So this is the what do you call it? Cash secured put that I just did right now, right here. I'm waiting for that one to execute. And then I think I got one of the poor man covered call thingy that I had. You order to buy $1 of hymns to okay. So if I option order execute. So I want to see what it's doing here in the profits. So I think I did make some profit on the poor man's covered call that I had here on SoFi. It's something I think changed and went up the price. It's just Robinhood is just kind of so glitchy, so slow today. I don't know why. Like I want to see the options contract that I sold made money on, but it's just taking forever to see to look at. Oh, there it is. See, this is the SoFi over here. The SoFi. This is the poor man's covered call. I just did. It's pretty much a day trade, and I collected $6 of premium just by collecting the free money, just the free premium, pretty much. Got into the contract, collected it, and then I could keep on doing that. Because I still got those options that I have. I could keep on making these what do you call it, poor man covered call deals. Okay, looks like it's still doing good. Okay, looks like I got into the hymns deal. I think that's why I kind of went down a little bit. Actually, no, that one's still pending. I still didn't get into that one. Hopefully I will. That'll be nice if I do. Let's see what the lift puts doing. That one's kind of going down a little bit. Let's see, lift call sale. Let's see what that's doing. That one's down a tiny bit. It's not too bad. Open put. That one's up for today, down a tiny bit in total. SOFX put. That thing's up 175 for today. Total return down. This is the cash secured put I got on this one for right now. Let's see, talk, 6 buys. Wonder what that's doing. That one's down a tiny bit. Let's see, so if I call buy, see what that's doing. Come on. It's still like sometimes being a little slow. Okay, so this one I'm up a little bit for today and down for the day. So this one I might do like another poor man's covered call on this one. Trade. Let's see, trade options. The one that I just collected some money on, I'll try to do another one like that. Sell call. Do the same thing. It's just Robinhood's being slow. I don't know why. Look, it's not showing anything. Okay, finally. Okay, the one I just collected some free money on was this one right here, the premium, the poor man's covered call. Because I got a leaps on it. I might do another poor man's covered call. So sell. I'll do one contract. I'll do for like, let's see, 1.60 maybe. Low likelihood. Let's see, 1.55. See what that does. Low likelihood. Just in case, I'll do 1.60. We'll see what that does. If it fills, that's good. If it doesn't fill, it kind of is what it is. But I think for me, that price is worth it. So we'll see what it does with that one. Okay, now that we got this one going, I gotta see what the other thing is doing here. So looks like hymns, the amounts bouncing around. Looks like my buying power changed because I'm trying to get into this hymns contract right there. So I'm trying to get into that one to collect some premium. We'll see if that fills or not. And then meanwhile, the other one I want to get into the cash secured put is probably the TSLL. Probably this one. This one's a good one to do a cash secured put to collect some premium. Not in that, but trade options, November 7th. So sell put, so to collect some premium, see, let's say it goes down to like 19, let's say it goes down to 18. If it goes down to 18, I'll collect $109 for that premium. So I'll try to do that one, at least one of that one. Sell. Okay, let's see. Go back to see this one, November 7th, sell put on the TSLL and go to the strike price for 18. Try to get into this one. Try to sell for 1.10, maybe see what happens. 0.10. See if that'll fill or not. It says medium likelihood. Let's see 1.20. Low likelihood. Let's see 1.15. Let's see what's that. Still low likelihood. So I'll try to go with that one. I'll try to do 1.15 and we'll see what happens with that one. But if I get executed on that one, I think that'll be good. That'll be a very, very good trade. Okay, order has been placed. We will see if that'll fill or not, but it has been placed. Let's see what plug power's doing. Plug power's still down a tiny bit. Um, Uber. Let's see what Uber's doing. Uber's down a tiny bit. It's up for the day, but I sold some Uber at a profit today, so I might maybe just in case, just for the heck of it. Okay, I gotta check something here real quick. Hopefully this thing is still working. Okay, looks like it's still going. That's good. I had to check something real quick on my phone because I'm recording with my phone here. I'm trying to adjust this a little bit. Okay, so let's see, Uber. I just bought $1 more of that one. Maybe just in case I'll throw $1 more of this one. Something went wrong. Please try again. That's weird. Okay, that's done. Okay, so I do have some pending orders. So let's see. Looks like it's still doing okay here. So I got pending orders of the hymns to do a cash secret put, the SoFi, that one just to get in to get some profits, the poor man's covered call, and then this one, I think that's the TSLL. But I'm not sure why it's being so slow. Like the Robinhood thingy in general is like not wanting to load anything. It's being extremely slow. I don't know why. See, when you click on stuff, it's just yeah being super slow. Sell to open. So I'm not sure if this one will fill. Probably not, but maybe I could change this to like 1.10. Replace this order to 1.10. Oh, show my portfolio past year. I could show it. Let's see, replace order one for 1.10. After I place this order, I could show it. Let's see, low likelihood still. Okay, so you want me to show it on this screen? So if I click 1 week, this is what it looks like. If I click 1 month, this is what it looks like. If I click 3 months, this is what it looks like. The portfolio, if I click year to date, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you could see. Then if I click 1 year, this is what it looks like. And if I click all, this is what it looks like. So when I started, I was kind of learning. It kind of went down. Yeah, when I started, it kind of went down because I started using a different brokerage. And then like this year, just not too long ago, I started using this one. So I started building it back up from there and it started going back up. So I pretty much kind of started from scratch that deal like recently. So yeah, this is kind of what it looks. And right now I'm just kind of playing around with it. So, and these are like, I don't know if you could see, these are the take home profits. Let's see. I think you've seen, these are the take home profits right here. So this is for 1 week that I cashed out like at a profit, 504 right there. So for 1 month, like the profits I cashed out is like 2,275. Pretty much doing these little trades that I'm doing type deal. But yeah, it's just kind of simple, boring stuff type deal. But still, I guess better than nothing as long as you're collecting some profits. I think it actually kind of changed, went higher. But yeah, and you could see mostly everything is green. There's like small trades, bigger trades, but like mostly everything's green. There's some red, obviously, there's some losses too. It's impossible to just have green, but like you can see green, 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 mostly green, some red, red, green, like mostly green, like you can see. But that's it all equals up to these take home profits that I made. So for 1 month is 2,282 that I cashed in and collected profits. And for the 1 week it's $504 take home profits. So it's not that much, but it's better than nothing for like a tiny little side hustle type deal, side gig. Because this is not like what I do for a living. I do construction work, tile work, and stuff like that. But this thing I kind of do like a as a hobby, just kind of mess around with it, collect some extra cash, here and there, just kind of playing around with it a little bit, playing around with the stock market, playing with the numbers. Yeah. And right now, I don't know why Robinhood today is being so slow. Like it's taking forever for it to execute certain things. So I got executed. Okay, sell put. So I got executed on this trade right here, which I glad I got into the HIMS put sell. That way I'll collect $130 by November 7th if it doesn't reach the, $40 price tag type deal. And then if it does, I'll just have to buy that stock for $40 and then also I collect that premium right there. So these are some of the types of trades I'm doing apart from like the normal day trades and the whatever type deal, but I just got into this one, which is pretty nice. Like some extra premium I could collect on the side, then we'll see what happens by that time. Um, yeah. So let's see. Some of them I just kind of check and see what they're doing, and something's doing good. I get some more of it. But yeah, oops, USAR. So the portfolio still kind of bouncing around. I want to see what I might add to a tiny bit. Got a whole bunch of stuff here. Let's see what Costco's doing. Yeah, Costco's a good one. I just barely recently started dollar cost averaging into that one. I might add a tiny bit more into it, just a tiny, tiny bit, just in case. $1. But still, like, I'm having problems with Robin because look at that. One tiny trade. It's taking forever. Taking forever to do. So it doesn't make any sense. Oh yeah, that's weird. I don't know why. Like the other days I was like doing like always executing these plays so fast. But today it's like insanely slow. I don't know. I rebooted my tablet twice because I'm trading on my tablet right now. I rebooted it twice and I reset the internet and everything, and it's just being extremely, extremely slow. Like that's why I'm afraid to do like kind of risky trades. Because what if I can't, do like a trade and it's glitching out? Like I don't want to be in trouble, so I gotta make sure I don't do something too risky right now, just because it's glitching out like crazy. Like I don't know why it's doing that. See, like I made these trades here, like the hymns put sell. That's collecting premium. That's an easy trade. Like no matter what happens, I'm safe with that one. I don't care, That's I'm just collecting free money from that one. And these, I'm doing pretty much the same thing with the Tesla TSLL, the leverage one. If it's gonna execute, it's the same thing. I'm gonna collect free money from that one. So it's like a no-brainer. So the thing is that I don't want to do a risky trade where like something could happen and then because Robinhood's so slow and I couldn't like close a contract or something. So I'm just trying to be safe. Oh yeah, yeah, I heard sometime this week. I don't know what day, but like Tesla earnings are coming up. So that's a good time to actually sell a put what I'm doing because you could collect a higher premium. If it goes up, you could just close that, contract for a profit. If it goes down, it doesn't matter because long term Tesla is going to go up regardless. So it doesn't really matter. Like to me, it's not very risky regardless. Uh, but yeah, it's just so annoying that Robinhood's so slow. Like literally, like anything. If I try to view a contract, it's the new contract I got into. So the to collect the premium and it's being slow. SOFX, put sell. Okay, that one's also collecting premium, the cash secured put. So my break even price on that one is 31.50. So right now, short term, it's kind of down, but like it doesn't really matter because the price is very far away from that one. This one, I think I'm kind of down on quite a bit. Start to go back up. But I did collect some money on this one as like a poor man's covered call, but right now I think it's down quite a bit. Oh man, it's so annoying how slow, super slow this Robinhood thingy is today. I just don't get it. It's just way too slow. Got a whole bunch of contracts on this one, but it's kind of down. The other day I was up ahead. I tried to close it at a profit and I wasn't able to close it out on time and it started going down kind of fast. So crypto started to go down. I sold out at a profit with those. I'm gonna let those be. Let's see. Maybe we'll get some more SoFi. It's kind of like doing its thing. Actually, I'm gonna check out the SoFi contract if it went in there or not. Oh, looks like it's waiting to open that one. I'm not sure if it'll open or not. But meanwhile, I could get some more shares of it. Let's see. Yeah, Robinhood is just being way too slow today. I don't know why. It's just way too slow. Let me get a tiny bit of this thingy. See, just one tiny little purchase. It's taking forever. Like it's literally so annoying. I don't know why it's doing that. And look, it's so stupid. It's taking forever. Just a tiny little trade. I do not get it. Why is it being that slow? Way too slow. That's ridiculous. It's taking way too long for it to flip and do one trade. Look at that. That's ridiculous. That's just way too slow. That's so ridiculous. Maybe just for the heck of it, I should go to a different brokerage or something, at least short term or something. This is just taking way too long. Way, way too long. Come on. Literally, it's like ridiculous. Like, look at that. It's just not executing. Oh man, it's so annoying. That is so annoying. Why is it taking so forever to do one tiny little trade? Way, way too long. Finally got to this phase. Oh my. Man, what the hell's wrong with it? That's ridiculous. That is so ridiculous. Look at that. That's insane. Why is it taking so forever? It's like Robin Hood's being pretty shady. Not doing anything wrong. And it's just taking forever to do a simple flipping order, flipping trade, flipping simple trade. It's like, what the hell? Oh man. I'd be trading in the hood on Robinhood and it's being stupid to me. It's being ridiculous. Ridiculously slow. It's just being way too slow. I don't get it. Like, now it's even to refresh the numbers on what it's doing, that's taking forever. It's like, come on. Flip and refresh it. Why is it being stupid? I think Robin Hood's not being that humble. It ain't being humble at all. It's like not doing what it's got to do, you know? Oh, finally it kind of changed. But it took forever to just refresh a tiny little bit. It's like so weird, so glitchy. Oh man, I'll be right back. I gotta go take a break. Okay, I'm back here for a little bit. I don't know. Hopefully the trades will go better. I don't know because right now I'm having problems with them. Let's see. I'll just try a random one. BITX. Let's see. That one went up quite a bit. Let me try. See how much I have in that one. I barely have anything into that one. Maybe try. Maybe add $1. Individual available. It's just $1 just to do one little purchase. It's taking forever. Yeah, I don't know. It's just taking forever to do a single trade. It's loading and loading and loading. I don't get it. Maybe I might try to use a different brokerage. Yeah, it's pretty dumb that it's taking forever to do an order. I'm gonna get out of there. Get out. Let me see. Let me try to maybe use a different brokerage. 'Cause this one's being ridiculously slow. I don't know why Robinhood's not working that great. It's just taking forever to do a single trade on that one. So looks like I got the TSLL thingy, the cash secured put executed, but then I can't really view it or do anything because it's being so slow. It's just being ridiculously slow. Okay, maybe just for the heck of it, I'll try like let me try let me see, maybe I should try a different brokerage. Maybe I should try see Weeble. There's the Moo, there's the Weeble. Maybe try this thingy. See what that'll do. Oh, it wants me to log in. The session has expired. Please log in again. Okay, I'm not doing that right now. Let's see, maybe see what this one will do. Login has expired. Please log in. F that. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with Robinhood. I'll see. I might have to do something to try to fix it or something. Let's put buy. Let's see what that's doing. It's just being too slow. The Robinhood thingy. Let's see. Let me try to buy or check something. Let me try to buy. Maybe buy SoFi. See what it does. I don't have much into that one. Buy. Maybe buy $1 worth. I see just getting $1 of like SoFi. Just one trade is taking forever. It's taking way too long. Robinhood is just being too slow. Just to do one trade is taking forever. It literally doesn't make any sense. Like, it's taking forever. So if I order is pending, your market order to buy $1 so pay is pending. Wow, it's being so slow. It's just it's just being way too slow. Like I can't like execute my trades fast or almost at all. So it doesn't make any sense. Why it's so slow. Like any single trade that I want to do, it's not letting me do, or it's taking forever to do. It's kind of weird. But just to open a trade that I have, it's taking forever to load. I don't get what the hell is wrong with Robinhood. It's so slow today. Come on. So flippin' slow. Okay, so this one says this is like a cash secured put. Just because this thing's being so weird today, I might do an order just to get the hell out, maybe with a tiny bit of profit. Maybe I could do like buy back for like 1.10, see if that'll execute or not. Trade. Let's see. So, I could try to buy back for 1.00. Trade, buy, or one for 1 point, maybe 0.5. Low likelihood, but just in case I could try that and see what happens. Okay, order has been placed. Okay, that's good. We'll see what happens. And then right now, it's just so slow. I'm gonna try to do a random trade. Like that one, I was surprised it kind of went through. I mean, it didn't execute, but it went through. But maybe let me see if it'll execute an order. I'll just do a random order. For example, try to buy some of this. QUBT buy, maybe get one for $1, see what it does. It's just taking too long. So you just one little trade, it's taking forever. I don't get it. It really doesn't make any sense. How it's taking forever to do one simple trade. Look, it's still spinning, it's still buffering. It's like, what the hell? Yeah, I might have to eventually stop this live stream just to flip and try to fix whatever the hell's going on with this thing. Okay, see if it'll execute. Wow, that took forever to do one tiny little trade. So annoying. Robinhood is just being way too slow, literally, just to do one simple flipping trade. It's taking extremely, extremely forever. Like I really don't get it. It's just taking way too long. Let me see if I got the SoFi call. I think this is a poor man's covered call that I did. Hopefully I'll be able to view it. Come on. See, it takes forever just to refresh to see what the returns are on this contract. This is ridiculous. That's insane how slow this thing is. Like literally, I can't see what the hell it's doing. So I might have to end the live stream and try to fix this whole deal with whatever's going on because I tried doing everything. I tried resetting the internet, tried to reset the tablet that I'm trading on, and still like to do a single trade, it's not working out. It's just taking forever to trade, being too slow and glitchy. I don't know why. Maybe Robinhood doesn't want me to collect the profits or something, but it's being way too slow, way too glitchy. Like literally, like Robinhood's not really letting me close or open positions, barely, barely. If it does, like extremely slow. I don't know why. Yes, I might have to end the live stream and see if I could make it better. It's like literally not even letting me view anything almost. Yeah, it's just ridiculous. I can't. Robinhood's too slow. It's not letting me do anything. So AWS outage is ruining it. What's a AWS outage? I'm not sure what that is. Like literally, like I'm not able to do a lot of trades because Robinhood is so slow. I might have to end the live stream. Amazon Online Services, basically. Oh, I see. I see. Oh, wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, it's like normally I do so much trades so fast. This time, like, just to do one simple trade, I could just do a random trade here. Like, for example, lift, trade, buy $1 of this. Actually, I'm in the wrong thing. Like, for example, like just to try it out right now. See, look at it's taking forever, just spinning like crazy. It's not letting me do the trade. But they said that the next update should be at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's crazy. See, it's not even letting me do this trade. It's so slow. So I don't know what I should do because I did a whole bunch of trades. Like it's just too slow. Like some of them don't even, you know, not able to do anything. Like it's hard to have patience when nothing's working, nothing's like executing, nothing's it's taking forever. I might ah I don't know, it's so annoying. I'm like there's so much things I could do and then I can't because I'm so slow or it doesn't even work at all. Oh wow, I bet man, like I'm not happy with this at all. Yeah, I know. Like I'm trying to make some money with this thingy too, but I can't really because like it's not working. It's not executing the contracts, the whatever. And to do something kind of risky, it's not worth it because what if you do a risky trade, uh, then you want to get out at a profit, whatever, and then it's not letting you, and then it's gonna go down, then you can lose a whole bunch of your money. So I've got some kind of safe trades that I'm good with. Like I got some cash secured puts and some safe stocks that I'm in, and some kind of risky trades, but like I don't have anything too risky for the most part. Uh, but yeah, it's just crazy. Like I literally can't do much. Like for example, I want to try to let's see, do another random trade here. Let's try to buy some of this. See, just a simple trade, just $1 fractional purchase. It's literally not doing anything. That is so annoying. Yeah, I might just have to exit out of this and try to fix it. Maybe once I fix it, I could try to go back on the live stream to trade some more. But right now, I literally can't really trade or do much just because I can't really do any trades. You know, it's kind of ridiculous, kind of sad that it's doing that. But oh man, I guess it is what it is. So I guess I'm gonna log out. Goodbye. Probably try to go.